Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn English with Angel. We are very happy to have you here today.
In this channel, we help you learn English in a simple and clear way so you can understand and speak English with more confidence.
We speak slowly, we use easy words, and we talk about real-life topics that you can use every day.
This video is perfect for A1 and A2 level English learners, especially if you want to improve your listening and speaking skills.
Today, we are going to talk about daily routines.
You will learn how to talk about your morning, afternoon, evening, and night routine using easy and natural English sentences.
You can listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and practice speaking with us.
Now, let's start our conversation and learn English together.
Good morning, Maria. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, John. I'm feeling good today because I slept well last night.
That's nice to hear. Can I ask you a question about your morning routine?
Yes, of course. I'm happy to talk about my morning routine.
What time do you usually wake up on weekdays?
On weekdays, I usually wake up at 7 o'clock because I like to start my day early and feel relaxed.
What is the first thing you do when you wake up?
The first thing I do is get out of bed slowly, and then I open the window to get some fresh air.
Do you use your phone when you wake up?
Sometimes I check my phone for messages, but I try not to use it for a long time in the morning.
What do you do after that?
After that, I go to the bathroom where I brush my teeth and wash my face carefully.
Do you usually take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I usually take a shower in the morning because it helps me feel fresh and ready for the day.
What do you do after your shower?
After my shower, I get dressed and choose comfortable clothes that are good for home and work.
Do you have breakfast right away?
Yes, after I get dressed, I go to the kitchen and prepare my breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast, eggs, and sometimes fruit because I want a simple but healthy breakfast.
What do you drink with your breakfast?
I drink coffee every morning, but sometimes I drink tea when I want something lighter. What about you, John? Can you tell me about your morning routine?
Of course. I usually wake up at 8 o'clock because my workplace is not very far from my home.
What do you do after you wake up?
After I wake up, I brush my teeth, take a shower, and then get dressed for work.
Do you eat breakfast at home or outside?
I usually eat breakfast at home because it is more comfortable and quieter.
What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I leave the house and go to work at around 9 o'clock.
What kind of work do you do?
I work in an office, and I spend most of my time working on my computer and talking to my team. What time do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 12 o'clock because that is my break time during the day.
Where do you have lunch?
I often eat lunch at home, but sometimes I eat outside when I am busy.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat soup, rice, or pasta because these foods are easy to prepare and very filling.
What do you do after lunch?
After lunch, I take a short break and relax, and then I continue my work or study. What do you usually do in the evening, John, after you finish work?
In the evening, I usually go home and take some time to relax because I feel tired after a long day.
What do you do first when I get home?
When I get home, I change my clothes and sit down for a few minutes so I can rest and feel comfortable.
How do you usually relax in the evening?
I usually relax by watching TV or listening to calm music because these activities help me feel peaceful.
Do you do anything else in the evening?
Yes, sometimes I go for a short walk outside, especially when the weather is nice.
That sounds very relaxing.
Yes, it helps me clear my mind and feel better.
Do you have dinner at home in the evening?
Yes, I usually have dinner at home with my family because we like to spend time together.
What do you usually talk about during dinner?
We usually talk about our day, our work, and the things we do during the day.
What do you usually do at night before you go to bed?
At night, before I go to bed, I try to do calm and quiet activities.
What kind of activities do you do?
I usually read a book or listen to soft music because these activities help me relax.
Do you use your phone at night?
Sometimes I check my phone for a short time, but I try not to use it too much.
Why do you try not to use your phone too much?
Because I want my eyes and my mind to rest before I go to sleep.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock so I can get enough sleep.
Do you think sleep is important?
Yes, I think good sleep is very important because it helps me feel good the next day.
Your night routine sounds very healthy.
Thank you. I try to keep my routine simple and regular every day.
Thank you very much for watching this video until the end.
We hope this conversation helped you learn how to talk about daily routines in English.
Daily routines are very important, and now you can talk about them using easy English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to Learn English with Angel.
Your support helps us make more English lessons for you.
Don't forget to write a comment below and tell us about your daily routine.
We love reading your comments and learning about your life.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and try to speak English every day.
We will see you in the next video.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Goodbye!